Patsy! Oh, you're the one that's how long I see you?
Then, sir, is that how you look like one picture, son? Sir?
Oh, Patsy, I'm here. I say I saw the tote. I pull it out.
No, man. I look at miss, have you out here look so? Look at miss, now, sir, come here. Why you have the boy out here looking like this?
Oh, I'm going good?
Yeah, I'm good.
The fridge, man, come to the fridge?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Or work at Rita.
Good.
Alright. Ricardo, him gone already?
Yeah, about 20 minutes up. Yes, love birds. My throat dry. What can I want, sir? I want to see each other every day.
Alright, so now come go up now before I get late. I'm gonna try to finish it. Alright? Let's see. Patsy.
Boy. Sir, come to my shop tomorrow morning. At Capitan in Jazz.
Oh, me here. Yeah, man.
Want some get them here?
Patsy, here, I know somebody arrange somebody for delete already. I truly never remember to tell you about. What we say? So, what we say?
Boy. Hello, look at me. Yeah, after the bed, sir. You can't make the boy walk around, sir. Yeah, see, look like drunk job breaks I'm here. Hello, I'm gonna tell you this. Is there any how you make an next woman put them on in a your man head? You might just remove him. Careful.
I just because him never there here for a couple of days, but I'm not doing here.
Couple days. It's one.
What's me talk about that next time? So tell me, what going on with you?
My love, be a drama. Me need to live at Hollywood right now. Right now, I'm supposed to have a Netflix special. Patricia Good Girl. That's the name for name. Two things that going on in my life, my love. Anyways, talk to me. I want to shop around. I want to look at pussy and why make me a Mr. Kareem. You know, you have to give me the drama. Come on. So, come on. Yeah. Come. I'm realizing thing.
Raymond.
You know, the apple's fucking. Oh.
You know somebody that try and call you and I'll be a voicemail me I get. What your phone?
Babe, me never realized that my phone they turn off.
What do you mean you never know say your phone turn off? Then you have to turn it off, it turn off.
Raymond, what I meant to say, sweetheart, is that my battery died and I left my charger here.
No man, listen to good. What you meant to say is that your phone shut off. And that's what dead mean. Turn off or something where you have to do.
You come here to argue with me?
Yeah, use your brain for me.
You come here to argue with me?
I have not any coffee.
I don't have any. And you didn't buy any this week. You know, say, you come here like the miserable old man.
Clearly, I rub off from me. That makes
Stop
sense.
it. Banana.
Listen